It's been a long time since I record loud sneezes, so that's what I'm doing right now. I always have I always have like sneezing fit at night, but like I can't let them out because like bad because people is sleeping, so I have those stifles, but now I'm alone, so I cannot let them out. Oh, that was a wet one. Sorry. And I'm sneezing because of allergies. I had a cold, but it's gone, so I'm happy for that. But now it's allergies. I'm not crying, just like my eyes are, and my voice also is weird, but I think it's because of my cat. Oh, she's here. She don't like when I'm sneezing, so I guess she'll leave. Oh my god. My bad. Oh my god. Sorry. I don't know why I'm coughing. But like it's really hard to like talk when you have to sneeze. Sorry. Thank you. Oh my god. I don't know if you hear her. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm coughing so much. But yeah, it's really hard talking with when you have to sneeze. Sorry. I'm just gonna blow my nose. I don't know, but never mind. Okay, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.